The Honor 400 Pro is a flagship-tier smartphone that blends cutting-edge technology with premium design, catering to users seeking high-end performance at a competitive price. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and an impressive peak brightness of up to 4000 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, offering seamless multitasking and rapid data access. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its triple rear camera setup, featuring 350MP sensors for wide, telephoto, with 3x optical zoom, and ultra-wide shots, complemented by a 50MP front camera for high-quality selfies. The 5500 mAh battery supports 100W wired and 80W wireless fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime. Running on macOS 9 based on Android 15, the Honor 400 Pro offers an intuitive user experience with enhanced privacy and AI features. Priced around $520, it stands as a formidable competitor to other flagship devices in 2025.